On this episode of Firefly on Tour Adventure, join me as we stayed here in Swakihan Guest House in Siquijor. So we're here now at Swakihan Guest House. Ito yung binuko. So papasok tayo, check-in muna tayo or mag-iwan ng gamit. So hi guys, we are here at Swakihan Guest House. Naka-check-in na kami pero hindi pa ready yung room, so we're going to tour around the area. Maya na lang natin i-room tour ang Swakihan Guest House. After check-in, we went straight to the must visits here in Siquijor. When we go back to the resort, it was almost sunset. So naabutan pa namin ang sunset sa resort. So ito siya. So ito yung ating guest house dito sa Swakihan Guest House. Hanggang dun yan sa dulo, then parang may bar siya, then may lounge area. Then pag akyat mo, actually this is in the second floor. Ito naman, makikita natin. Ganda. Then dito yung room natin. So check natin ang room natin. Hello, welcome to Swakihan Guest House. Halika. Okay, so dito naman tayo sa bed. So dito, double bed. Dalawa, kasya. Of course, may charging port, which is ang dami niyang outlet. May open cabinet tayo. May dalawa namang silang binigay na towels. And may hanging rack sa labas na pwede mga gamitin. And of course, ito may mga upuan. Another single bed. Kasya dito ang tatlong katao. So here, we have the television, the complimentary water, the glasses, the cups, and electric kettle kung gusto nyo magkape, the complimentary coffee, and of course may fridge sila. Ayan. So ito yung mga madudumi yung damit, yung laundry basket, then may trash can. So ito yung restroom nila. So ayan. Yung restroom, dito meron siyang shower niya, i-rain shower, kaya okay ang sayo nito. And hot and cold. Dito sa area, meron siyang air freshener, may alcohol, may toiletries, may toothbrush and toothpaste, may hair blower or dryer, yun ang importante. And also here, yung shampoo and bath soap na complimentary. Here, meron silang hand towel. Ayan. Then, the regular faucet. Okay? Okay. Then, may bidet sila. Then, ito naman ang view niya sa gabi where you can chill, relax, enjoy the music, enjoy your meal, and your drinks. It's not ours. It's not their property, but no. I don't know. So good morning guys, we are still here in Siquijor and we are booked here in Swakihan Guest House. Ito yung beach front nila, ayan, ganyan kaganda. So we are supposed to swim last night, kaya lang pagod na kami. Pero meron naman, makikita nyo dun sa, sa clips na meron namang pwede siya sa gabi kasi tumataas naman. So aantayin pa, 11 AM pa yung kaniyang talagang high tide dito. So mamaya pagbalik natin before our check out, probably we can go down.
Pagbalik namin mula sa Paliton Beach, tamang-tama naman ang high tide. Kaya kahit papaano ay nakapag-swimming kami sa tapat ng aming resort. Pinakita sa amin ng may-ari ang dorm type for the budgeteers pero hindi kami nakapasok kasi occupied ang lahat ng rooms. We come to the end part of our Siquijor adventure and nandito ngayon kami sa Suwakihan Guest House. So, just to give review of the resort where we stayed, unang-una yung location niya, napakaganda kasi along the highway lang, tapos beachfront na beachfront siya. So, parang may cliff, tapos bababa kayo sa hagdan, then sa harap na mismo niya, pwede kayong mag-swimming kapag high tide. Malapit yung dagat. Siyempre, pag low tide, medyo lalayo-layo kayo ng konti. Secondly, yung kanilang affordability dun sa mga pagkain. So, food, okay, malaki yung serving. Parang good for 2 to 3 person ang isang serving nila. And for the transportation, meron silang ino-offer na mga tour packages as well as yung mga pick-up, port pick-up and tour around sa mga guests nila. And para sa mga accommodation, kompleto sila. May family room, barkada room, may dorm type pa na pinuntahan namin kanina pero may mga tao kaya hindi kami nakapasok. Anyway, yung service nila very good. So si ate, yung may-ari, nakausap namin. Siya, na-inspire kami sa sinabi niya na siya lang halos nagpanday, nag-conceptualize ng area and operational pa lang to ng mga 1 year mahigit. So, marami pa daw siyang naisip na ilagay dito or mababago pa. So, abangan natin sa pagbabalik natin kung ano yung mga pagbabago dito sa Suwakihan Guest House. Although this is not a party hostel or party guest house, pero yung vibe ng location is very good. Kung gusto niyo ng serenity, peace, and calm. So, I highly recommend this guest house if you are going to Siquijor. And sana magustuhan nyo rin kapag pumunta kayo dito sa Siquijor. So the total review of this resort is 5/5. Thank you everyone for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!